Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Today we're going to study how to add or subtract fractions by finding lowest common multiples. Let's find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 first. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and so on. The lowest common multiple is 24. So we multiply 4 to both the numerator and the denominator of 1 over 6 to get 4 over 24. In a similar way, we multiply 3 to both the denominator and the numerator of 3 over 8 to get 9 over 24. Now we add 4 and 9 to get 13 as a numerator, and the denominator stays the same. For adding fractions, we just need to change the fractions to equivalent fractions with the common denominator, then add the numerators. Now let's move to subtraction. It is dealt the same way as addition. You need to have the common denominator. Let's find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 8. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. So the lowest common multiple is 8. For the fraction 7 over 8, you don't need to change anything as the denominator is already 8. For the fraction 1 over 4, we multiply 2 to both the denominator and the numerator to get 2 over 8. Now we subtract 2 from 7 to get 5 over 8. For subtracting fractions, we need to change fractions to equivalent fractions with the common denominator. Then find the difference of numerators. Let's try some questions. Question number 1. 8 over 9 minus 1 over 6. Check both denominators, which are 6 and 9. Let's find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9 first. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, and so on. So the lowest common multiple is 18. So we multiply 2 to both the denominator and the numerator of 8 over 9 to get 16 over 18. In a similar way, we multiply 3 to both the denominator and the numerator of 1 over 6 to get 3 over 18. Now we subtract 3 from 16 to get 13 as our numerator, and the denominator stays the same as 18. Question number 2. 11 over 15 plus 13 over 20. Check both denominators, which are 15 and 20. Let's find the lowest common multiple of these numbers. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, and so on. Multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, and so on. So the lowest common multiple of 60. So we multiply 4 to both the denominator and the numerator of 11 over 15 to get 44 over 60. Now we multiply 3 to both the denominator and the numerator of 13 over 20 to get 39 over 60. Now we add 44 and 39 to get 83, and the denominator stays the same as 60. So 83 over 60 is the final answer, but for those who prefer the mixed number, we can change 83 over 60 to a mixed number. You can fit 160 in 83, so we can subtract 60 times 1 from 83, and we get 23. The denominator stays the same, so we have 1 and 23 over 60. Let's summarize today's lesson for adding or subtracting fractions. First of all, check the denominators. If you have the same denominator, you don't need to change anything. If not, find the lowest common multiple of both denominators. That will be your common denominator. Change fractions to equivalent fractions with the common denominator. Remember to multiply the same number to both the numerator and the denominator. Once you have a common denominator, You just need to add or subtract numerators for addition or subtraction. For both addition and subtraction, the denominator stays the same. Here are some challenge questions. Try them out. Sample solutions are linked under the video. Press Show More below the video and then find its link. Hope you can solve them. Thank you for watching Inspire Math videos. Please subscribe if you'd like to join our Inspire Math tutoring community. There are some related videos linked below. Thanks and have a good one.